This video suggests fat-burning drinks to control appetite and stop cravings for junk food. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily healthcare tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Certain herbal supplements are found to be very beneficial to control appetite levels. How to choose the best supplement to control appetite? This query is frequent from obese people. Certain herbal cures can naturally stop cravings for junk food. In this video, we are going to see some of the fat-burning drinks that can be used with the best natural diet pills. Best weight loss drinks. Green tea. Green tea enriched with epigallocatechin compounds is found to be a natural source to relax the nerve cells and tissues in the body. High stress is one of the common causes that lead the way to increased appetite and low serotonin troubles in the body. As per studies, antioxidants in green tea are found to be beneficial to reduce the action of free radical mechanisms in the body. This feature, in turn, reduces the aging effect in the body. You can get different types of green tea products from online stores at present. Apart from calming down nerve cells and tissues in the body, you can also make use of this herbal cure to promote body metabolism. Lemon Balm Tea. Lemon Balm Tea is one of the common green tea products that can be availed from online stores. You can use this natural cure daily in the morning. Similar to lemon balm tea, you can also use other green tea products like holy basil in daily routine to reduce the risk of obesity. Apple cider vinegar. Inclusion of apple cider vinegar in daily diet is a safe way to improve the weight loss function in the body. Compounds in diluted apple cider vinegar can naturally reduce the accumulation of toxins in the body. This feature assures relief from obesity troubles without inducing any side effects in the body. So as to get the best result, feel free to consume green leafy vegetable salads added with apple cider vinegar. Those in search of a natural way to detoxify the body can consume diluted apple cider vinegar daily in the morning. Toxin accumulation is the main cause of poor bile flow and increases in LDL cholesterol levels. This condition can give rise to obesity and heart diseases. Hence, feel free to detoxify body cells frequently. Lukewarm water. Dehydration can lead way to toxin accumulation problems in the body. So as to get the best health advantage, feel free to drink at least 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. As your body compensates for the warm temperature of the water, it brings your internal temperature down and activates your metabolism. Hot water also helps your intestines contract to clear out waste products that are bloating your body, which gets rid of the dreaded water weight. Brahmi Tea. Inclusion of Brahmi Tea in the diet is one of the natural ways to alleviate the troubles due to toxin accumulation and obesity. Apart from treating weight gain problems, this natural cure can also delay aging effects in the body. Yoga. Regular doing of yoga exercise is one of the effective ways to relieve the risk due to obesity. Yoga practicing can naturally promote the joint flexibility of the body. It enhances the brain to focus and relieves the troubles due to nervous disorders like high stress, depression, and anxiety. Bonus tip. Figura capsule is one of the best weight loss products to treat obesity troubles. 100% herbal composition is a key feature of this product. These herbal diet pills melt excess body fat and convert them into energy. These weight loss supplements improve metabolism, remove toxins, control excess hunger and help to get in the desired shape. It improves bile flow and reduces the risk due to the high cholesterol level in the body. World's finest diet supplements. "100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence. Buy Figura capsules at naturogain.com. If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remediesofyoush@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.